Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very exciting day for me kasi nga, ayan, may dumating today. So, I wasn't expecting this anymore kasi I thought I got lost. So, I requested another one. But, ito na siya guys! Oh, diba? Ayan, dumating na rin yung Google AdSense ko. Finally! Thank you so much guys. Without you, hindi ko to makukuha of course. And the support of my family. Yes, ayan. So excited guys. So nag-request ako ng another one. Kasi bali, you can request up to 3 times. So ayun. So I think this is the first one that is sent me. Pero hindi ko siya agad nakuha kasi dapat last week pa to. Last week ko pa to nakuha. Kasi yun yung 3 weeks niya. So sinend nila to is June 22nd. Then, I was expecting it to get last week. So, but because I didn't get it, so I requested another one. Pero yung PIN number nito guys is SIM number pa naman siya. Kahit, let's see, 4 times kang nag-request, yung number is the same. SIM yung PIN number. So, what does this do is, ito is just to verify your address. O, diba? Para kapag sahod ka na or kung makaano ka sa threshold na $100 is makapagsahod ka na. So, ayan, may cut off naman sila guys. So, hindi naman tayo dun papunta. So, ito lang siya guys. Very excited. Oh, diba? So, when I saw this today, I was looking at my mail. I was actually looking on our mail every time it arrived here in the house. So, pero wala siya. Pero today, ayan. So, bali, it arrived 4 weeks. Hindi pa naman kasi today is only what? 20. Is it 20? Yeah, today is July 20. So, almost a month. So, yeah, so almost a month bago ko nakuha. So, well, 4 weeks actually. Because, yeah, 4 weeks. Because they sent it Saturday. So, today is Saturday again. So, ayan. So, kaya yung sinasabi ko guys is, in-expect ko to last Saturday, pero hindi nga siya dumating. So, I was a little bit disappointed. Pero I was reading or watching on YouTube on how they deal with this kind of scenario. Oh, so, ayun. So, nag-request ako ng another PIN number or, I mean, another mail para isa nila itong aking PIN number. So, ito na nga siya guys. Hindi ko pa ito ino-open. So, ka-arrive pa lang nito. It just arrived earlier. Tapos, ayan. Oh, diba? I'm so excited. Hindi ko pa talaga siya ino-open. So, when I saw this one, I was like, oh, my goodness. Ayan. So, guys, wag kayong magsasawa sa pag-support. Kasi malapit na tayong kumita. Yung kita natin ngayon is very maliit pa rin. So, yeah, super small. Pero ngayon, nakuha ko na to is sisipagan ko pa. Ayan, thank you guys. So, ayan, i-open ko na. I-open ko na. Pero of course, hindi ko papakita sa inyo yung PIN number. Syempre, alam niyo naman. So, ayan guys. Oy, ayan. Careful lang, careful. Baka sa excitement mapunit pa to. Huwag naman. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. So, if ever na dumating yung second PIN na request ko is, ganun din naman yun. So, disregard na lang. Ayan. So, make sure guys, na pag inopen nyo to is, ayan, dahan-dahan. So, yan, dahan-dahan lang. Kasi, sabi remove sides. Sorry guys, there's some interruption. Alright. So, ayan. So, dahan-dahan lang tayo pag open nito. Make sure na hindi nyo ma-tear yung papel, ha? Ayan. Oh, I guess the power is back on. So, earlier, guys, is, commercial muna tayo. Earlier, grabe yung ano dito sa amin. Grabe yung thunder, yung lightning, tapos rain. And then, huminto na siya. Tapos, pero, naputol yung power namin. May solar naman kami, guys. Pero yung solar dito is different. Kasi yung solar dito is makaka-generate ka lang ng power. Oo, solar. Pero hindi talaga totally na ano ka, independent from the ano, hindi talaga. So, ganun pa rin, pag walang power, wala ka ring power. So, yung ano lang nito guys is, yung solar namin is, yung binabayad lang namin yung ayos na minimum na parang connection lang sa city. Pero may solar talaga kami. Yan guys. Ay! Alright guys, so ito na siya guys. I'm excited. Ayan. Inopen. Ang daming commercial, pero I'm just so happy that this one arrived today. Ayan. So, mabe-verify ko na ang aking address. Tapos, ayan. So, ito guys, yung ano nito is, ayan na siya guys. Hold on. I-cover pa natin siya. So, ayan na siya guys. So, diba, nakikita nyo, ayan, your pin. Oh, diba, saan ka pa? Ayan siya guys, I'm so happy. So, this is a 6-digit pin number. Tapos, ilalagay nyo to, then, yun na nga, ma-verify na yung address nyo. Oh, diba, ang saya-saya. Okay, so, tapos may instruction dito on how to do it. Pero I already know how to do it kasi I've been looking at it. I've been watching video, I've been reading and stuff like that. So, sinasabi dito is, please note that we will stop serving ads through your account if you don't use this PIN to verify your address within 4 months. So, hindi pa naman nag 4 months, diba? Kasi, ito is, I think 4 months, since na sinend nila yung, or I guess yung, yes, sinend nila yung ano, I'm not really sure, yung sinend nila yung PIN number. Ayan, so i-stop nila yung mga ads sa video mo kung hindi mo pa rin binerify yung address mo. But who wants to do that, right? So, ayan, pag na-receive mo na yung PIN number nyo, of course, ilalagay nyo agad. So, every code is unique. Kaya, yan. Kung ano yung number mo dito is, that's all yours. Diba? Walang sharing. Ay, guys, I'm so happy, guys. So, ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Please, wag kayong magsasawa again. Kasi pag nakapagsahod na tayo, or, ayun, makapag-share na ulit ako. Siya nga pala, guys. So, wag niyong kalilimutan. Mag-ano tayo. Magla-live. Or, I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload this video before or after my live. So, ayan guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this Google AdSense. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you for all the support. Yung mga hindi nagsasawa dyan, salamat, of course. Ayan. I'll see you guys. Thank you.